I am a bioweaver bird. I will show you the way of life. See me in detail. I mostly live in Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. My specialty is that it is my nest. The Baya nest is very special. The nest is built by male. It's me. I follow a lot of safety rules. First of all, I look the thorny trees near to water to build a nest on it to protect the nest from other predators. And then in the tree, I choose strong tree branches. First I tie a knot with a green grass tied for a tree branch. And then I cut the green grass with my sharp beak in the surrounding areas. This cutting will be done for 18 days, 500 times and 1000 grass strips to build up the complete nest. First I tie a knot to get a tree branch as soon as it feels strong enough on the branch. Then I will build a hole in the nest to have for me and my pair to perfectly fit. Then I build a nest into the shape of a helmet. It takes me 8 days to build. Now I will call my pair with my wings flapping and singing from the tree branch to choose my nest. Will you see my nest at once? How I built. Like many other birds on the tree will call with flapping and winging. Generally, I build the nest towards east. Once female finds the nest, she moves in. It gives signal by its head down, seeing from the nest. When the female agrees, the nest which was in half helmet state, I have to build the nest in long tube entrance like shape. The breeding seasons of Maya is during the monsoons. And one more thing, when I complete building the nest, it must be in green color, then only my pair will accept. Once my pair into the nest, the female Baya weaver sticks firefly with mud to the nest walls to light up the interior of night. downward pointing entrance tube. This will deter unwelcome visitors. If the nest turns into full brown color, then my pair regrets it. I have to break the nest and rebuild the nest again from starting. Female usually lay 2 to 4 eggs, and it takes 15 days to hatch those eggs. Urbanization, agricultural practice, industrialization and deforestation are the major threat to this. Save the nature and save the birds, so that our next generation can see in real than in books and paintings. This is my biography of Baya bird.